Hello, welcome to DaVinci Resolve tutorial on how to do a title screen. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I would really appreciate it. And then the next thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is drag your things a little bit away from the start of the video. So head over to your editing tab, go to your timeline, drag your clips and your audio off to the right, and then take text plus. I mean, there is titles and all this other kind of stuff, but I just like to use text plus and then just edit it. Right. And then from there, you can just go ahead and type up your title, edit it to however you like, maybe do like kind of like a fade in and a fade out. And then as you see, we have kind of a title screen there. And then, yeah, it's going to do my title, fade in, fade out, and there you go. I have a nice little title screen going on. And obviously you can go ahead and change the words and colors and durations of the fade ins and fade outs to your liking. But that's just a quick little way of how to do it. Thank you guys so much for watching.